Don here from Essential RC, sharing a small restoration project that I've just completed. You will recall that I also did the Chris Gold's Concorde not too long ago. That took me a little while and that's ready to fly. Haven't had the opportunity to fly it because of lockdown and the weather. But looking forward to flying that for the first time. And just so happens I was very lucky to come by another Chris Gold's model, and here it is. It's a de Havilland DH.91 Albatross. The full-size DH.91 was designed in 1936, at that time as a transatlantic mail plane. It was interesting at the time because it was the first to have a pliable supply sandwich construction of its fuselage, and that was later used in the de Havilland Mosquito bomber. Another unique feature was a cooling system for the air-cooled engines that allowed nearly ideal streamlining of the engine mounting. The first Albatross flew on 20th of May 1937. The second prototype broke in two actually during overload tests, but was repaired with minor reinforcement. The first and second prototypes were operated by Imperial Airways. Although designed as a mail plane, a version to carry 22 passengers was developed, the main differences being extra windows and the replacement of split flaps with slotted flaps. 5 examples formed the production order, delivered in 1938. When war was declared, all 7 aircraft were operating from Bristol Whitchurch to Lisbon and Shannon. Chris Gold's obviously decided to model this Frobisher passenger variant, which was registered as G-AFDI and delivered to Imperial Airways, later BOAC, as Frobisher in 1938. Sadly, Frobisher was destroyed on the ground by a German air raid while parked at Whitchurch Airfield on 15th of February 1941.
So here we are down the flying field with Frobisher. Really looking forward to getting this in the air. So I've got a 5000 3S pack right up the front and a 3S 2500 pack powering the receiver and the servos through an SBEC. I didn't have to do hardly anything to get this flight worthy again. It's been quite well stored and looked after, so without ado, let's get this in the air.
Are you nervous, Tom?
I am. Do you know, I am, because this is a piece of history really. Chris Gold's is widely known across the world for his amazing achievements. So,
and we know that there's a lot of man hours versus an RTF.
Yeah, certainly.
So you better look after it, Dom.
He put a lot of love into this, so I will do my absolute best. That's all I can do.
Let's go. Nice scale speed on the undercarriage.
Snap.
Snap.
Well, she's flying again. Not a huge amount of power.
I don't think the real thing had a huge amount of power, honestly, Dom. A little bit bumpy out there.
Yeah. does look good though, don't you think?
It looks great in the air.
It's just a classic shape. Despite very few of them ever being built.
You doing a landing?
Yes! Oh, I'm not going to chance. I'm just going to go and pick it up. I'm not going to chance taxiing it back. Oh, yeah.
Well, it looked great in the air, Dom.
It did look great, didn't it? And you did notice how much it was being buffeted around. Look at the windsock.
It's pretty windy today, though, to be fair.
It's pretty windy, but I've been putting this off for long enough, and it was time to get it in the air.
I think you've done it justice.
Yeah, I think so. I felt a little bit of pressure from the whole RC community on this one. But really flew really well. You can't get hold of anything like this. There is, I don't think. I think all the DH91s that I've seen have been scratch built. There isn't another kit out there to do this. So it's a very rare thing, so I'm really going to look after it. Thanks to Jay again on camera.
No problem.
And we like doing interesting stuff on Essential RC. That's why we do it, really. We love the hobby. So thanks for watching this. If you've enjoyed it, then you might want to subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. Otherwise, thanks for watching and goodbye from me and Jay. Cheers.
You can go for a sit down now, Dom.
I had a cup of tea and a slice of cake.
See you later.
Bye.